guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video we are back at our HOOT Target Club in the brand new outdoor range. Now before we start the video, I would just like to say how extremely happy I am to have met 3 of our viewers and subscribers of the channel at the range, and to hear all the positive feedback on how much they enjoy our videos. It was also good to hear that it was their first time visiting the range and they would be returning in the future. So in this video we'll be shooting some brand new Reflex targets, and we will also be having competitions to see who can shoot them all in the quickest time.
Already. So what have you done?
I'm just going to try... Nothing yet. I'm just going to try and hit them 3 mushrooms and then come back. 3, 6, 9, so I can get 3 hits on 3 of them. So I'm going to go from the closest one.
So what have you done with your rifle or not?
25. I haven't really. That little one doesn't really make noise, does it? Just like tings.
How are you going to sit down?
Right, I'm just going to go all my right side on the dueling tree.
Yeah.
Turn that on. There's one kind of like, you can't really hit it on my side, you probably see it on the video. You can't really, if you can try and knock it a bit over to my side. But I'm going to try and go for the...
Oh, is it the very bottom one?
Yeah. I'm going to go for my 6 in the quickest time.
You'd have to try and knock it back.
Yeah, I think I'm just going to try and do 5 in the quickest time. I might knock it. I'll try and knock it back. Right, so I've knocked it back. No, it's not. It's not doing it. Right. I'll just go for 5 then.
You're going
to 5 in the quickest time. This won't work for you either, will it? So we can both just do 5 in the quickest time. I think so.
Small, it's 6, isn't it?
Oh, there's more. It was an 8 shot one. I'm looking at this one over here.
7. That's an 8 shot one, yeah.
8 shot one, but there's one missing, isn't there?
Yeah.
So I'll just go for 7. 7 on my side. I think I'm loaded. And 3. Am I loaded? Nope. 3, 2, 1.
Clock's not ticking, Con.
No.
No, I've safely won this. I've won it because you know.
No, because you could miss them all.
I could take time though. I could take my time, can't I, lad?
You can't, yeah.
Hold on.
Fantastic.
Good, that should do it. Right, go on. Try and get your 7.
So I can take my time though.
You can take your time, but don't take too long.
Right.
I don't really thought this through. I think you could take as long as you want, because you just got to hit them all.
I've won already.
You have one on the first go, yeah. If you go slow and you miss, you look bad. So don't miss this last one.
Oh!
He's missed it. The pressure's got to him. I don't even think I give you the win for that, because you missed while you were taking your time.
Ah, so loser. No, I must say, you were shooting faster than me, Tom. Because you're younger, say.
Oh yeah. Alright, so they all shot up for me.
Yeah.
Right, so I'm going to go what the camera's looking at, and 4 shots. I'm gonna try and get it in the quickest time I can. Right, I might just take my time this time. Not miss like you. Shake hand. Right, let's go. So I wanna go. Tell you what, can I have that bag? Little one. I'm gonna go right, left to right. 3, 2, 1. No. I loaded 2. Done it again. That was awful. Do that one. Too quick. Tried it too quick. Right, your turn.
No. Let me see 7. Right.
Right, come on again.
Are we ready to go?
Yeah, we need to reset one of them though.
Oh, yeah.
There we go. Right, 4 targets. Quick as you can.
You want to count down?
Yeah. 3, 2, 1. Oh, I think he's beat me. There we go. All done.
Oh,
I think that,
shots.
I think that was better than mine, I think.
5
I had
shots,
double
wasn't
loaded a few of mine.
Yeah.
And your new glasses look there.
How do my new windows look on?
They
Double
look,
glazed ones.
they look, very nice, friend.
Right. I'm going to go for them.
Which one? Let me get you then. Which one are you going for?
Oh, the pallets of them, of the things at back. See the middle one?
The one to the left, what we've been shooting
Yeah.
at? Yeah.
Right. See the thing sticking up?
Right, let me get it in.
Can you see the pellets?
No, I need... Oh, yeah, I can.
Yeah, I've just hit one.
There. Yeah,
Right. Gordon.
yeah. You got 2.
Oh, 3.
3 of them went off.
Oh, yeah. Some more over there, look. But I'm going to have to shoot off my mold off, obviously.
Which? Oh, the closest one.
Yeah.
The closest one.
Hold on. I'm trying to find it. Oh.
Moving around quite a bit in this video. Let's get that over there. Have you got them in focus yet?
Yeah, they're in focus. Hold on.
There's only one. You've missed one. Go on, try and take them.
Hold on a minute.
It's about 15 yards, would you say?
If that, yeah.
Yeah.
Hey.
Can you see them? By the... To the right.
Oh, to the right, to the right.
Yeah.
I put them on. No, I thought it was
Go on, try and take the first one on the left.
first one.
Come on, Gil.
No, see the one on the left.
Yeah. Nope.
It's okay.
I'm looking at a different one.
Oh, sorry, I took the one on the right. Took the one on the right.
Yeah, give you that one then. Missed that one.
Missed it.
And he's out.
Should we set some pallets up?
Yeah.
CTCs them if you like that. What's that, sorry? So I put pictures of this on the internet, CT will see them and go, everybody will agree. Not right, sir. What is that? What did you say when you were going? No. Good say. Say keep so. Yeah, but you know that. Yeah. Go to turn the camera. Switch along the way. Yeah. Go. And then have to go up. And then walk. In the bus stop. Yeah. All the way down that lane. Yeah. All the way round. And into the park. You couldn't get to it. Yeah. That's how you got it. Fair old trudge that. Before buying that back, buying this, buying the other one, buying mouse, at the end of the day, you have that money. Because you put the that, how little or how little.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Holiday tickets ain't cool.
Well,
Oh, holiday tickets and the university tickets.
oh yeah,
To go and collect next week.
that's good. Right, I'm just gonna go for you watching. See that above the dueling tree? Above the dueling tree that we were shooting at before?
Yeah, that's spinner.
Yeah, see on top of it?
Yeah.
Spinner, yeah, I'm gonna go for that.
The top spinner.
Yeah.
Sticking up.
Yeah. You should be able to see that without looking through the scope. Right, let's go. So I think the left bit's sticking up. Right. Oh. Let's go.
I know where the shop is. The shop is not so far from the shop. That's how I want to pick that up from bed. So the
Missed that one. I'll try and hit it without looking on this next one. What's the camera?
Missed.
Did I miss?
Yeah.
Did I?
Yeah.
What about the bears? Because you got big bears on it. Say you asshole, I'll eat you. This fucking one non-stop. I'm not worried about bears, I've got this. We pulled up this aerosol can, looking bears spreader. So, could you honestly say you want to stand there with this little aerosol can on big angry bear running at you, keep on fire? Wait till it gets to about 2 foot, and go, fuck off, I'm playing it. No. That's what it brought up. 4 10 judges. That's not good for a bear, 4 10. Walk forward 6 minutes or so, roll with quality. Flattens it instantly. Yeah. Would you feel confident having an aerosol can and you can spray it in the face? I don't think so. Yeah. There's a dirty guy being grizzly. Oh, you get fucked. Yeah. Put it to half its head, that now give fucking bollocks. No, I don't think if you're up for the job personally, definitely not.
Go on, I'll just set it up then. I'm zoomed in on the go near that because it might not hit. But see right where you can see on the camera, can't you there?
Yeah.
So going just on a mill dot.
Right, cool.
Which one should I go for? Small or the big one?
Go for your small one.
Clipped it.
Clipped it, yeah. That's the back one you set up on? Yeah.
Hit. Let's go for the one next to it.
Yeah, go on.
Small one. Tell you what, it's shooting so accurate today. No wind, no wind whatsoever, is there? There we go. I want to be cocky and try a no looking on the left one.
Right.
I'm really cocky, but can I have the bag? I'm gonna need it.
Where's your telescope?
To hold my phone up. Right. I'm not look, and I'm gonna go for the biggest one. It was a bit cheating with the bag, but
So you're not gonna have to look at the camera.
I am. Right, no look.
Yes.
Hit it. Should we go even more cocky and go for the small one?
Go on.
I shouldn't have been cocky.
I'll show you how to do it in a minute, Con.
I want to go for it again.
Yes.
Nope. Let's just finish it off. Come on, let's try.
Yeah, you got it that time.
Let's try. There we go. I think I'm out. Oh no. The one left. No, I'm out.
Right,
Are you gonna have a go?
Yeah, go on. Yes. I'm going to zoom that in.
Yep.
2.5 mil dots.
Right there, let me get it in. There he is. On the bench. Which one are you gonna go for first?
The big one. You ready to go, Con?
Yep. Nailed it.
Right. Do you not looking, Con?
Go on here, look at the camera. Feel the confidence. He's nailed it.
Right, now we're going to go for a small one.
Oh aye. No looking.
No, I've got to look first one.
No. That's it.
No, without looking.
Oh, he's got it.
I'm just too good to be true. I missed this goal, you know.
No, we will.
He's not messing me about.
Right.
He's in a bit, yeah.
Without looking. I missed it, I'm like. Right. Big one, not looking.
Got it. Give it to you again. You're getting these. I think he's just showing off now.
Oh, alright. I'll miss one just in case, right?
You clipped that one.
I only clipped that and I was looking at
How's that work, Andy?
Oh,
I think might be out after this one.
there we go.
I'll try and bounce it off one of them and the other. See how good you are.
Short barrel, 18 barrel.
Oh,
Good
you mean shooting
guns.
suit once?
Good yeah.
I know I'm good, but I'm not that good.
Alright, so we've got 3 pins each. A pellet on top, so we're going to try and hit them right at the back. Zoom back in. There you go. Right, if that goes off, it's like bring it back in. So let's see if we can hit any of them.
10 shots.
Yeah,
3
10
pins.
shots, 3 pins should get them. Should get them. Oh, that is quite far. I'm going over just to be safe. I don't want to take the pin.
Actually, you can see that.
You can see it on the backboard,
Yeah,
can't you?
yeah.
It went to the right and to the left. Took it.
Shooting can't.
Took the pin.
Oh, took the pin.
And the last pellet.
To the pellet,
I'll just
yeah.
take the pins now.
Yes.
That one.
Still a bit of pin. Not bad shooting can't.
I'll try and take that little bit of red left. In fact, I won't
No, because if you hit it,
take yours, yeah. Shot on a rabbit. Right. Not bad. Yeah. Make go on, Gant. I'm zooming out, show how far it is. You can't even see anything. There we go. When you're ready.
no. Probably won't hit now, nothing now, can't. Nope. Making a nice noise on the backboard though, can't.
Which one are you going for?
I'm going for the blue one. Far right.
Yeah. Oh, he's hit the wood. That was low.
Yeah.
What happened there?
Don't know.
Right, you still got the blue one. Funny enough. The blue one stayed and the rest fell off.
That wasn't half low, that one.
Yeah. Oof. Chipped the wood low.
Hit the wood again, yeah.
Well,
That was 2.5 mil, that's down as well. Let me just see.
I think you should go for there's a pellet lying down on the wood, can you see it? To where the pin was. Oh no, to the left of the red pin, sorry.
Down is the barn door.
Nope, you gotta take your pins.
I'll have a little board of pins. I'm going to go 3 mil. That's because them last two fell low, didn't they?
Yeah. Took it. Top of it.
Did it clip it?
Yeah.
The yellow one?
Slightly, yeah.
Yeah, it did. Yeah, I can just see that. So it's 3 mil. That's a little low. Well, Look like you kicked me there, con.
Yeah. Shoot the wood back. Standing up now.
Ah.
Try and hit the piece of wood. Try and take that off.
That's it, all that.
You moved it.
Yeah.
What's going on, Grand? Must
I know.
be the one.
Well, I'm going to blame. I'm going to blame the new windows.
New glasses.
No. I'm going to blame the new windows anyway. They're not broken yet.
You shoot a fan on the first bit.
I know.